Now more than ever, visitors, prospects, and customers expect to be able to communicate with you wherever, whenever. For most companies, this is a tall order, made easier, however, through the use of chatbots. HubSpot's free chatbot builder can be used to qualify leads, book meetings, provide customer support, and scale your one-on-one conversations. Some of the most common chatbot use cases include when customer support reps are busy or after hours, as a knowledge base lookup, to qualified leads, to create tickets or meetings. One of the best parts about creating and customizing your chatbot is that you don't need a developer or any coding skills. HubSpot has plenty of templates to help you get started, or if you'd like, you can create one from scratch. Customize your messages, save visitor replies as properties in your CRM, and create if-then branches to make a complex bot. You can customize your chatbot to match your website's branding, when your chatbot appears, and create transcripts to send your visitors at the end of the conversation. You can also implement CSAT surveys when your visitor is done with the chatbot and access all of your chatbot conversations within your inbox. To learn more about best practices in chatbot setup, head over to our academy to watch our full chatbot lesson. Enjoy!